Hey everybody, this is Jared from So Digital. After meeting with a Facebook representative today, we spoke about the new iOS 14 limitations on reading events and how your pixel is going to be affected by that and how your data is going to be affected by that. So they have kind of come up with a brand new solution called Aggregated Event Measurements so that now you can prioritize the 8 events that are shown to you and make sure that they're tracked properly. So we're going to get into that today, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and to make sure it works. Okay, let's get started. So first you're going to go into your Facebook Business Manager account. You're going to find your ad account and you're going to go to Business Tools. Touch Business Tools and go into Events Manager. From Events Manager, you're going to find the pixel that you're working with for this. For me, that's my pixel, So Digital. Okay, so you're going to scroll down a little bit underneath the graph for So Digital. You're going to find down and you're going to scroll down and you're going to find Aggregated Events Measurement. Click on that. Configure Web Events. Go into that. Find the domain that you're working with. Hopefully that's linked. And now you set highest priority to lowest priority of the events that you want to happen and want to be tracked. So if I want to add anything else, you go down to Edit Events, edit these events, press the Edit button, and this will get you into where now you can move these and add different events into this area here. I only have 5 of 8 filled out right now. So let's just say that search is a big deal for me right now. So you can grab and move these over here and slide them into highest and lowest priority. Now I want search P kind of down there. So there. Now if you need to edit and add an event, you over here in the green button, and you add an event and you choose what event, what pixel, and then you choose the event in which you have decided you would like to track. You get 8 of them. Use them wisely, and I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments, and please like and share. Have a wonderful day. Follow us if you haven't.